What's up, guys? So it is a crappy, cold, rainy October Saturday. So I'm trying to get some garage stuff done here, give a quick update. So what's going on with the car? So actually, I'm in the middle of making a leather cleaning and care and conditioning video. So got the cleaning step done, but getting ready to do the conditioning in a little bit, so hopefully that comes out well. Actually, check this out. So this is what we're using for that. Smooth leather care kit. So far, so good. And actually, dude, this garage is just a nightmare. I actually was gonna make a separate video out of this because we're doing a big garage renovation pretty soon. So I was gonna do like a phase 0 video, but I don't know that that's necessary. But this is ridiculous. So, golfing. I don't even remember the last time I was golfing. I don't even know why that's in here. So anyway, yeah, big garage reno coming soon. Paint, sand, patch, all the good stuff. Get some organization in here. Actually, I got both cars in the garage because the Firebird, I don't know if you've seen the cameos from previous videos. My kid has an 89 Firebird Formula, which is like an 80s icon. But it is off at the paint shop getting a total overhaul, repainted, dent repair, everything. Can't wait for that to come back, but for right now, managed to have both F80s in the garage, which is pretty cool. And then later today, let's see, I have noticed, I don't know if you guys have had this problem before, anybody with F-Series cars, but I've noticed a little bit of dampness in the passenger side, on the passenger side floor, and then the driver side in the footwell alongside the center console, a little bit of dampness there. So I think I have a clogged drain tube, an AC drain tube. So hopefully it's as simple as that. So I'm gonna get this thing up in the air, check that, and hopefully that's all it is. If so, I'll make a video out of that too, because why not? So yeah, I think that's all I got for today. This is a pretty quick one. And again, man, just like check this out. This is ridiculous. Like this is random stuff everywhere, so definitely need some organization here. Wax pads and whatnot. It is embarrassing. It's just terrible. Well, anyway, hope you're having a decent Saturday. And yeah, keep an eye out if you're interested in the detailing stuff. Keep an eye out for the leather cleaning and conditioning video that should be coming out pretty soon. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.